She's a brick and I'm drowning slowly off the coast and I'm heading nowhere. She's a brick and I'm... All right, everybody. Day 51 on the Appalachian Trail Through Hiking Adventure. We're up at McAfee Knob, which is about 3,000 feet or so, I believe. Today was an awesome day. We went like 18 miles or so, and we got in about 18 miles or so, and it was nice because halfway through the day today we got to eat at a like a grocery store kind of gas station type of thing, but it was really nice. We got Chris got some pizza, I got some like a cheeseburger or something, and it was really good. But I need to show you the views up here at McAfee. This is McAfee Knob. It's like a really famous part of the trail. You're supposed to get your picture taken all the time over where this fella is over here. You get your picture taken up over there. And so we got Chris hanging out. We got some friends here. Etch a Sketch there in the blue.
He's doing a video diary.
And we also got my man Clean Cut here. He says hi. But we're basically, and we're blinding you here, but we're waiting for the sunset out here. And it's just, man, it's just all in all just really beautiful up here. I'll let you guys see the views off here as we see them. It's just gorgeous night. Temperature's pretty perfect. Wind's blowing through here pretty good. But it's just a beautiful night. Fellas are hanging out. We're feeling really good after getting refueled, like I said, at that store. Oh, another thing, we also went over this thing called Dragon's Tooth, which was pretty interesting. It's supposedly the most technical climb on the trail in the south, and it was some tough rocks and stuff like that, but you know, we handled it like pros. But again, we're up here at McAfee Knob. This thing right here is a really famous thing to get your picture taken on, and we got some good pictures up there. And the fellas are hanging out. Etch a Sketch, yeah, he's giving the rock. So day 51, good day. We hit 700 miles. We're in the 700 mile club now. Isn't there like the something 300 club or something on TV? Anyways, so yeah, 700 miles, cruising right along. We're almost a quarter of the way done. I think we're really close. Over here, we're going up this section over here. What is that called, Etch a Sketch? Tinker Cliffs is right where my finger is, and then right after that is the town of Daleville, where we'll probably spend the night there and resupply and stuff like that. So,
go in the swimming pool.
And go in the swimming pool, exactly. So day 51 up here on beautiful McAfee Knob, over and out.